Well, we have here a Honda Civic 1.5 turbo with an exhaust that was made by another shop, and obviously he's not happy with how it sounds or how it looks. I mean, look at it. It's horrible and it's ugly. I'm not surprised why it sounds horrible, because as you can see, it has absolutely no muffler. I'm guessing it's cheap too. So this is his mid pipe. That's supposed to be a mid silencer, but I know for a fact that when I cut that open, there's absolutely nothing inside. Then this one attaches here. Then all the reason they're doing all of this is because they want to look like a Type R, which has 3 tips. Oh yeah. Ugly, unbranded, horribly made exhaust. Sounds horrible too. And with no name, well actually, whoo, HKS. I think it's also welded, but shit. That's kind of stupid. Okay, it's the orientation's like this. This is the top, this is the bottom. So it says HKS here, and here it's HKS upside down. Just absurdly stupid, because number one, this is not an HKS tip. This is what you buy in Lazada and Shopee, and it's not real. HKS does not make tips only, and they definitely do not sell you tips only. So what we'll be doing is we'll be replacing it with our full exhaust. So we'll be using a 2.5 inch also, the same as this guy, but we'll do it the correct way with 3 Borla tips and our hot pipes down pipe right here. Now this is our bolt-on hot pipes down pipe. So yeah, this is the turbo side, then it goes down. Then we'll be connecting it here with a flexible pipe all the way up to there. So definitely it will sound quieter and deeper with the 2 Borla mufflers. The center exhaust here will not have a muffler anymore, but we will be using a smaller pipe because we want most of the gases to go here and here, left and right. So we restrict the center pipe here just to be able to complete the tri-tip look. Most people just fake the middle tip, but of course that's kind of stupid also, and we don't want to do that. The whole point of you getting a tri-tip exhaust is because you want all the exhaust tips to be functional. Oh, and by the way, every single Type R exhaust that you see on the internet will not fit the local Civic for one very important reason. The Type R does not have this, the spare tire well. So with this in place, no Type R exhaust will bolt on to your local Civic. So don't bother trying. You get what you pay for. So this is some locally made header, and you can see here there's a big crack all the way throughout. It's almost half. And as you can see, the difference between our header and their header, this part's already correct at 3 inches. Then I have no idea why it gets reduced down to 2.5 here. That's stupid. Oh, and there's a lot of stupid things in this car. So ours is a full 3-inch downpipe from end to end. So that's what performance is all about. And this one here, they think they're being very smart because they want to bypass a secondary auto sensor, not make a check engine. It's correct, but it's too long. This is also not right. It should not be that long either. And why is there only one? Yeah. Well, that ain't right. Why is there only one port? Oh well. Again, you get what you pay for.